Described as one of the most innovative games of the move-to-earn movement, STEPN has taken the crypto world by storm. Built on the Solana blockchain, STEPN has captured the attention of everyday investors, venture capitalists, and fitness fanatics. But what exactly is STEPN, and how does it work? You've got questions, and we've got the answers. Welcome to Crypto Sketch 101. We're the #1 go-to spot for all things crypto, and we're glad you've stopped by. If you love cryptos as much as we do, please give this video a like, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're examining everything you need to know about STEPN. Amongst other things, we'll break down exactly what it is, how you can play, and how you can earn money by simply taking a few steps every day. There's a lot to cover, so let's get into it. In order to better understand STEPN, it's worth taking a quick look at the movement behind it. Known as the move-to-earn movement, M2E Projects combine the elements of fitness apps and gaming finance in which users are rewarded for doing exercises. One could argue that move-to-earn has actually been around for quite a while. Take Wii Sports for example. With Wii Sports, users can play everything from baseball to tennis to golf. Most often though, the reward comes in the form of a high score or the satisfaction of beating your opponent. What makes STEPN different, however, is that it is fully immersed in the cryptocurrency world. STEPN has exposure to Web3, blockchains, NFTs, and cryptocurrencies. In a nutshell, STEPN is a Web3 move-to-earn fitness game where users can earn daily income through exercises such as walking, jogging, or running. Rewards are distributed in the form of one of two native currencies known as the Green Satoshi token. Let's take a look at how STEPN works. After downloading the app, users must connect their wallets and send Solana cryptocurrency in order to purchase at least one NFT sneaker and begin using STEPN. Because Solana is the primary currency used by the STEPN app, it is required that users have it in their wallet. After purchasing the first pair of NFT sneakers, users pair their sneakers with their app, and then walk, jog, or run outdoors anywhere in the world. Using the GPS signal from a user's mobile device, the STEPN app tracks players' movements and awards them with points. These points are classified as game currency and can be spent for a variety of purposes, including upgrading sneakers or NFTs, leveling up, or cashing out money in the real world. Each NFT sneaker is unique and has 4 attributes that directly impact earning potential. Those attributes are resilience, comfort, efficiency, and luck. Upgrades or level ups can increase the earning potential of sneakers. All sneakers begin at level 0 and can be upgraded with each subsequent upgrade costing progressively more GST all the way up to level 30. GST is permanently burned or destroyed from total token circulation as a result of these upgrades. STEPN has 3 gaming modes. In solo mode, users move and earn tokens. Earning potential is dependent on the rarity or attribute of the sneaker they own and their level of physical activity. In marathon mode, there are weekly and monthly marathons. Users are required to sign up at least 24 hours before the commencement of each marathon. As its name implies, weekly marathons are held weekly and last for an entire week. There are 3 different marathons that users can participate in, but they can only participate in one marathon at a time. The options are 2.5 km, 5 km, or 7.5 km. Monthly marathons last the entire month and users have the option of participating in either a 5 km, 10 km, or 15 km marathon. Like the weekly marathon, users can only participate in one marathon at a time. The last of the modes is background mode. With background mode, users will be able to earn GST even if the STEPN app is not actively used. Background mode will count the steps straight from the user's mobile device's health data app, as long as they have a sneaker in the app, up to 3,000 steps every day. STEPN has 2 native tokens. The first, as previously mentioned, is the Green Satoshi token, or GST. GST is a utility token and serves a number of different purposes. GSTs can be used for shoe minting, to repair sneakers, upgrade gem items, or level up sneakers. They can also be used to swap for stablecoin USDC. GST has an unlimited supply. The second token, known as the Green Metaverse Token, is the STEPN Governance Token, and has a limited supply of 6 billion tokens. It can be used for sneaker customization, level 28 to 30 sneaker leveling and rare to legendary sneaker shoe mining, among other things. Although STEPN has stolen the spotlight the last few months, it certainly isn't the only M2E project out there. Here's a quick look at 2 other M2E projects. Number 1, GenoPets. GenoPets takes inspiration from Tamagotchi and combines it with the mechanics of Pokemon Go. Like STEPN, user activity is tracked through mobile devices. With GenoPets, this data is used to track a user's progression through GenoPets' in-game metaverse. Virtual NFT pets known as GenoPets gain value as users customize and upgrade them as they progress through the Genoverse. Players can save their steps and use them to gain new features and powers in the game. Number 2, Virtual. Virtual, like STEPN, promotes itself as a healthy living lifestyle app. The core product, on the other hand, is rather different and is based on a pay-as-you-go concept, allowing users to compete against one another in terms of distance traveled, pace, and so on. Users can take part in a number of different activities including walking, running, dancing, swimming, working out and cycling. STEPN is a very intriguing project that seems to be scratching the surface of Web3 lifestyle apps. Its exposure to blockchains, NFTs and cryptocurrencies have made it a hit among cryptocurrency fanatics. It has a strong backing from some of the largest venture capitalists, and has even been rumored to have deals in the works with big names such as Adidas. That being said, there is some room for improvement in a few areas. Like any GPS link technology, some STEPN users have reported inaccurate step recording, particularly in areas such as underground passages. While unfortunately there is no easy and quick solution, nevertheless, it can be a frustration for users who are not being accurately rewarded for their efforts. Accurate motion capture has been an issue as well. If a user is not walking in a manner that is satisfactory to the app may not perceive the motion as a true walking motion and again, may not reward the user accordingly. For instance, if a user is not swinging their arms enough, or if the mobile device is located in a pocket or area that has difficulty tracking a true walking motion, it may not be recorded as a walk. STEPN will need to innovate as well. While its primary focus is on walking, jogging or running, apps such as Virtual include a number of additional activities such as dancing, swimming and cycling as well. Overall though, STEPN has become a smashing success in such a short amount of time, and if it can address these few areas, it should have an even brighter future ahead of it. And that's all that we have for today's video. We hope you were able to learn a little bit about STEPN, as well as the move to earn movement. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining and we'll catch you in the next video.